Hi, it's Sarah with Audio Video Charlotte. We're going to talk about audio video cooling fans and how to install them today. In one of our latest installations, we placed cooling fans in our client's home to provide better airflow for their equipment. Let's take a look. First, we had to cut the holes where we're going to put the fans so that we could feed temperature-controlled air into the location and blow out the warm air to keep the equipment cool. As the fans are installed, we double check to make sure they are level. Let's get with Barry Clark, our installation expert, and he's going to show you how they work.
Well, our project for today was to put some cooling fans in this little coat closet. So we have an extract fan here, and that wire has been extended, ran down the baseboard to our intake fan, which is right here, and that is inside in the climate controlled part of the house. There's the intake vent, barely noticeable against the white wall and the furniture, but we're pulling cool air in that's climate controlled air. It then gets pulled across the floor. The extract fan up here creates natural airflow, pulling all the warm air from the equipment and amplifiers and blowing it outside into a little closet that's on the back of the garage. And that way we'll keep all this equipment cool when this coat closet door has all its coats hung back up and it's finally closed.
It is so important that an audio-video system has good airflow. Cooling fans need to be installed because the system generates heat at the top or the back of the equipment. And as the products are being used, it generates even more heat. Cooling fans greatly reduce the risk of any overheating of your equipment. Thanks for watching. Visit our website to learn more about our services and see some more of our projects at audiovideocharlotte.com. Follow us on social media and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great one.